Fix slow printing from Windows. Resetting the printer can resolve some slow printing issues. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the wall outlet and to the printer. The printer will turn on automatically. Print the document. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. In Step 2, you'll turn off Quiet Mode in Windows 10. On your computer, open HP Smart. Click the name of the printer, then click Advanced Settings. Select Settings, then select Quiet Mode, then select Off. If you are prompted to enter a password or PIN code, contact the printer administrator for the password, or use the PIN code on the printer's label. Open the Carriage Access door and look inside the printer for the label, or you can find the code on the back of the printer. Enter the password or the PIN code and click Save. Print your document. If the problem persists, continue to the next step. Selecting certain types of paper or printing in best quality can slow print speeds. Print with plain paper and use normal or draft quality for faster printing speeds. In Windows, search for printers, then click Printers and Scanners in the list of results. Click on the printer's name and then click Manage. Click Printing Preferences. Click the Paper or Paper Quality tab. In the Type or Paper Type field, make sure plain paper is selected. Next, adjust the print quality to speed up printing. For HP inkjet and LaserJet printers, go to the Print Quality field. Make sure that Draft or Normal is selected. Click OK or Apply to confirm the change. Print a page. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Using a USB cable that is too long or improperly shielded can affect printing speed. If the printer is connected with a USB cable, try using a different USB cable, and then try to print. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Some printer models allow you to print with only one cartridge installed. Printing with only one cartridge causes a slower print speed. If you are printing with only one cartridge, install the second cartridge and replace any empty cartridges. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Remove and reinstall the print driver and the software to make sure you have the latest version. In Windows, search for and open Add or Remove Programs. Click the printer name on the list and then click Uninstall. After uninstalling the print driver, go to 123.hp.com and then follow the instructions to download and install the latest driver. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. If your printer is connected to a wired or wireless network, there are several tips that might resolve slow printing issues. On your computer, check the wireless signal strength by clicking the wireless connection icon in the Windows taskbar. If the signal strength is low, move the router, computer, and printer closer together. Make sure there are no additional strains on your network, such as downloading or streaming services. Depending on your bandwidth, these activities can significantly affect print speed. If the printer is connected to the network with an Ethernet cable, make sure the cable connections are secure. Restart your router by unplugging it, waiting 10 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Updating the printer's firmware might fix a known slow printing issue. With the printer connected to your computer, go to support.hp.com/drivers. Then follow the prompts to identify your printer and look for firmware updates. Download and install any available firmware updates for your printer. Warning: make sure the computer and the printer are turned on until the download is finished and the driver is installed. Do not try to use your computer and printer until the driver is fully installed. Print your document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.